Avesta locality, an overview. Avesta Swedish pronunciation. Osta is a locality and the seat of Avesta municipality in Dalarna County, Sweden, with 11,949 inhabitants. In earth name is first found in 1303 as Agkastadam. Ag is of similar origin as the word, meaning stream, in this case the Avestafors, a tributary of the river Dalvan. Stadam was dative plural of a word of similar origin as stead or farm. History. In the Scandinavian Middle Ages there was a blast furnace at the location. In 1636 the construction of a giant copper mine was initiated near the Avesta Firs. The town Avesta received partial privileges in 1641 as a town under the city of Fallon, and in 1644 a copper mint was built. However, the privileges were withdrawn in 1688 due to complaints of competition from its neighbour, mainly Fallon. Copper coins were continued to be minted until 1831, and the copper works was in function until 1869. Full city rights were granted in 1919. The designated coat of arms depict the signs for copper and iron. Geography. The town is located by the Dalakarli River Dalvan. The railway junction Krolbo is situated in Avesta. Climate. Avesta has a humid continental climate with sizable seasonal differences, although much less than would be expected for an interior climate north of Aran. Being situated at the foot of the higher areas to its west, summer temperatures are warm because of the relatively low elevation of around 100 meters 330 feet above sea level. Precipitation is quite high by standards of Sweden's areas closer to the Baltic Sea, which renders the possibility of heavy snowfall in winter. Sightseeing. The city of Avesta has the world's largest Dalakarlian horse. The horse statue is made of concrete and located next to the city's first Burger King. Avesta's Burger King opened on February 16. A Krokodillen Verket is a popular attraction in Avesta. It is a former runworks that began operations in 1874. It is now a museum and hosts of exhibits. A Metropoolen is an indoor swimming pool and adventure area in Avesta. It includes a 78-meter-long water slide. The Avesta Bison Park. Avesta Bison Park has about 25 European bison. The park has a cafe, a historic home from the Urs, and a children's playhouse. Sports. The following sports clubs are located in Avesta. Avesta IK, Nasana, Skovsbo Avesta IF. Notable people. Retired NHL defenseman Niklas Lidström. Tony Rekrovson. Counter-Strike Global Offensive player Jesper J.W. Wexell. Pens. Scar symmetry. References. Thank you for watching our video on Avesta locality brought to you by Docurific. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.